Here we go.
What is it?
It's
You
a.
didn't tell me it.
Okay.
It's a game.
It's a game
It's
that you
a
play
sport
with clubs,
It's a sports game.
and you kind of go like this. 4.
Baseball. So close.
No.
You do it on the ground.
You do it on the grass. That's right. And the ball is about that big, and the
tennis.
club, and you have a club, and you hit the ball on the ground.
And then
And
it
you
goes
try and get it-
into a little bowl.
That's right. It goes into a little cup, and if you get it,
I'm just gonna.
okay.
Baseball.
I have no idea what that is. Pass.
Me neither.
Okay. This is. This
So it's something almost like
it's an animal, and it's the fastest animal on Earth, and it's got spots, and it lives in Africa, and it runs and it kills things.
hyena.
It's a cheetah.